Park, and I'm here with. What's your name?
My name is Paula. I'm playing a game.
Yeah, and we're going to the indoor playground in Canada, and we're riding. Her mom and dad were riding. Who's driving? Your dad, right? Yeah, my dad.
May kausap.
And her
Yan
mom
yun siya
and
kaya si
friend.
Ruche. Sabi ni
And my mom said
Ruche,
here.
pagod na ako kausapin
It's
kasi
gonna be
parang
really
nakikinig.
fun 'cause
Pero at
there's
the end of the day,
there's
ganun
rock
pa rin yung mga
climbing,
action.
there's big slide, there's I like they're all climbing more. There's I don't know. I didn't see any. I only see two of them. The ball pit and the rock climbing. And there's the car. Wait. So I'm just like talking to her dad because I just say, are you home?
Yeah. And guys, so do you have any sticky rolls?
Yeah.
So you have to buy them. It's super sketchy and super wasteful.
What's fake? Oh yeah. So you must be really careful because look, there's one sticker here. There's a sticker here, and there's a sticker here, and there's a sticker here,
And then there's the one over there.
and there's a one over there. Do you see over there, right? That one.
Kasi kahit dati pa,
So yeah.
kainuman ko pala siya noon. Ano na to? Bata pa pala siya noon.
I'm quite tired.
Ilang taon na si Tia, Day?
20.
I'm going to
ata.
Macdo.
22.
You're hungry already. I thought you didn't want Macdo. Ooh, let's see, Crystal. Oh, Crystal.
Kaya yung nakipag-usap sa kanya, sana ano,
The sound is so satisfying. Look,
sabi ng galing.
hear it.
Still
Here.
Crystal po.
Silvia ka nag-text si Cheche?
Watch, hear it.
Ito ang madadaanan natin.
Saan ba sila? Pumunta na sila?
Ha?
Pumunta na sila?
I don't know, baka nasa...
Kasi dito mo naka-text.
Baka yung kusan, baka nasa likod.
Mm.
Ay, iba daw ang dinaanan ni Manman.
Can I play Golden?
Saan ba kita yan?
Sa backdoor, may bibiliin ka daw
No, I
ba?
can't. They have to talk.
Puto si Dia. Anong gusto mo, Day?
Ako si Riv. Kasi kumain sila yan.
Wait,
So ano na yun? Snacks na sila ngayon?
It's
Kaya-
like 20 minutes.
Yeah,
Wait
so
for part
part 2,
Five sticky rolls.